These three powerful emotions are most likely standing between you and your goals. The first one is fear. If you've ever felt paralyzed by fear, then you know it can prevent you from taking the necessary steps towards your aspiration. Listen, most people that have achieved great things actually beat fear with courage, meaning they acknowledged their fears but tapped into courage, and that's how they achieved what they needed to do. And if you have to do it afraid, why not? Just do it. Fear is not supposed to paralyze you. The second one is feeling doubtful. Self-doubt lives here. It starts with the thought that you are not good enough or you're not capable of achieving your dreams. You question your abilities for whatever reason and become uncertain about your next action. This can cause procrastination and can make you halt all your actions. Again, you don't need a magic wand. What you need is to act. Just take that action. The third one is the feeling of insecurity. This one targets your confidence. You just lack that confidence about your sense of worth and your abilities. And it is a result of deep-seated conclusion you've made about yourself because someone said something about you or because you experienced something. You become hesitant to speak in a group, to assert your ideas, or to even take on leadership roles because you think that you're not good enough and that others will perceive you as inadequate. In emotional intelligence, one of our major philosophies says action is key. So, irrespective of which of these three emotions you're feeling, identify the options that are available. Choose the most optimal one and take that action.